Hi guys, this time we're gonna do about solving quadratic and absolute value equations. And as you know, Mr. Kim wants you to do this one by hand, but I know world is not perfect, so yeah. If you cannot do it by hand, I totally understand. So I'll teach you how to do this using decimals or calculator. So first of all, let's say you want to use a calculator. What you gotta do is you put these numbers. So always start with the answers that has the two answers, 2 and 3. So you're gonna plug it in like this. Instead of x, you're gonna plug this number in, like 2 squared minus 8, 2 plus 4 equals 4, 2 minus 12, and see if it's true or false. If it's true, that's the answer. For example, this one has two answers. So you also do one more time, like this. And see if it's true or false. If it's true, that's the answer. If it's false, you gotta check this one or stuff like that. That's if you want to use inspire. But as you can see, you don't really want to do it. You want to use decimals, right? Because it's very similar to inequality. So again, you cannot put this one into the decimals just like this. So what you gotta do is, first one, you can put it in, right? So it's not a problem. You just copy this one down. But the other side of this equal sign, you know what you gotta do. You flip the symbol. So instead of positive 4x, you're gonna write minus 4x. Instead of minus 12, you're gonna put plus 12. Just like inequality. And then you're gonna put this one into the decimals, all right? All right, so let's go to our lovely decimals. You know, it's gonna be very, very simple. 2x squared minus 8x plus 4 minus 4x plus 12. So again, what are these 2 points called? Solution. X-intercept, right? And apparently it matches with a solution, right? So how many solutions do we have? 2 and 4. That's it. Y-intercept is not a solution. Vertex is not a solution. Just keep that in mind. Our solution is x-intercept, 2 and 4. So what is our answer? This. Sometimes you will have only one solution, so keep that in mind. So that's what you do. But what about in this case? Inequality. What should we do? Doesn't matter. Just what you gotta be careful is you cannot use q into the decimals. So you just write this one down as a x. And on the other side, what you gotta do, you just flip the sign. Minus 2q here, minus 13, okay? So what you gotta do is here, very simple. Absolute value of what? 4x minus 1, close to absolute value, minus 2x minus 13. Here, do you see my mistake? Instead of q, I wrote q instead of x. So here, do you see your answer? Negative 2 and what? 7. So we have 2 answers, which is this. So that's it. It's very easy, right? So I believe you guys will be able to get this done. Sometimes you will have one answer, sometimes you will have 2 answers. Just keep that in mind. Maybe I will just go over this question. So here, you have a 2 absolute value, right? Doesn't matter. So you put this one here, but the other side, you cannot put this one, so you gotta put negative sign, right? But you have absolute value, so you just put minus absolute value, 3p minus 4. You don't have to flip the sign inside absolute value, okay? So that's what I just wanna make sure. So x minus absolute value is 3x minus 4, and here you, whoa, what am I doing? Absolute value of x in absolute value of x, no, 3x minus 4 close to absolute value. So that's what you're gonna see on the thing, and you will get the answer through this one like that, okay? So that's what you get. All right, that's about it. And if you have any question, just let me know. I love you guys as always. I'll give you a hug if you need help all the time. See you guys. Bye bye.